What's up, smart shoppers? Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making those oh-so-difficult purchasing decisions a breeze. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a head-to-head comparison between two titans of the trade. The Comgrow official Creality Ender 3, or as we like to call it, Ender 3, and the AnkerMake M5C, which we'll just call M5C. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, price. The Ender 3 comes in at a wallet-friendly $232, while the M5C is strutting around with a $399 price tag. That's nearly double. So if you're looking to save a few bucks for, a pizza party or a subscription to this channel, Ender 3 is your guy. But hey, maybe the M5C has some tricks up its sleeve to justify that price. Let's find out. Next, assembly. The Ender 3 is like IKEA furniture. Some assembly required, but nothing you can't handle with a bit of elbow grease and a couple of hours. On the other hand, the M5C boasts an integrated design for easy installation. So if you're the type who thinks assembly is a four-letter word, M5C might be your new best friend. Reviewers noted that the Ender 3's assembly can be a learning experience, while M5C's ease of setup is a big plus. Now, let's talk speed and quality. The Ender 3 is like your reliable old sedan, steady and dependable. But the M5C? It's a sports car with PowerBoost 2.0 technology. It can hit speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second while maintaining 0.1 millimeters precision. That's faster than a cheetah on a caffeine high. Reviewers love the Ender 3 for its steady performance and the M5C for its incredible speed and quality. Connectivity time. The Ender 3 is a bit old school, with no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It's like your grandpa who still uses a flip phone. The M5C, though, is a tech-savvy millennial with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. You can control it, monitor prints, and transfer models all from your mobile device. Reviewers appreciate the M5C's advanced connectivity options. Precision mode is where the M5C really shines. It supports up to 50 micrometers resolution with a 0.2 millimeters nozzle. Think of it as the Michelangelo of 3D printers, chiseling away with incredible detail. The Ender 3 is no slouch, but it's more like the Bob Ross, reliable and talented, but maybe not carving the Sistine Chapel ceiling. Reviewers are impressed with the precision of the M5C, while appreciating the Ender 3 for its reliability. Reliability and versatility are crucial. The Ender 3 has a safety-protected power supply and can resume printing after a power outage. It's like the Energizer Bunny. It just keeps going. The M5C steps it up with wear-resistant components, a 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end, and the ability to handle a wide range of filament materials. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Reviewers noted that the Ender 3 is a great option for beginners, while the M5C is praised for its versatility and durability. Finally, user-friendliness. The Ender 3 is pretty straightforward, with advanced extruder technology and AV shape with palm wheels for smooth, noiseless movement. The M5C, though, is like your personal 3D printing assistant. It has 49-point automatic bed leveling, power and filament outage recovery, and a PEI flexible magnetic plate for easy print removal. It's practically printing for you while making you a cup of coffee. Reviewers love the ease of use and advanced features of the M5C. Overall, Amazon reviewers have a lot of good things to say about both printers. The Ender 3 is praised for its affordability, reliability, and being a great option for beginners. On the other hand, the M5C is lauded for its advanced features, speed, and ease of use, although it comes at a higher price point. Some reviewers did note minor issues with both models, but overall, satisfaction is high. So there you have it, folks. The Ender 3 is your budget-friendly, reliable workhorse, perfect for those who love a good DIY project. The M5C, on the other hand, is a high-speed, high-tech powerhouse, ideal for those who want top-notch features and are willing to pay a premium. Which one gets your vote? Drop a comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching. Buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome comparisons. Until next time, keep shopping smart. And remember, folks, if it ain't smart, it ain't worth your cart. Product links are in the description below.